Royal Enfield Bear 650. Going to install the factory bobbin kit from Royal Enfield. Here is the part code 1990415. Ordered off eBay from Royal Enfield Bear, direct from India. Took them 5 days to ship. I mean, I had it in 5 days, so that's pretty good. 35 bucks. Let's see, this is the other tag on the bottom. Has a different number on it. But these do, you get 2 of them, 1 for each side. And if you were looking for an aftermarket or wondering about the size, this is 8mm. On your swing arm, both sides right here, you have the threaded mounting flange. And this has a plastic cap, feels like a plug that's going all the way in. I gotta pull that out. Alright, got it. Started to come apart on me, but got it. You want to inspect your threads there, and as you can see, that little plastic plug cap hid some factory paint crimes, but the backside is open, so depending on how new your bike is, where you've been riding it, you may have dirt, debris kicked into that backside, so just make sure your threads are cleaned out. Alright, left side of the bike, same type of plug. You can get under this thing and just kind of rotate it, basically unthread it counterclockwise. That seems to be the technique, because I almost broke the head off the other side. Just got to get it out enough to unthread it. There we go. That one is out. Inspecting the threads. Again, that plug hides some paint crime right there. Alright, now that we got the little cap removed, verified the threads are clean, go ahead and take the bobbin and put your bolt in. This bolt does require a 5mm hex head, and we're going to torque it to 22 Newton meters, which comes out, if you have an inch-pound torque wrench, that comes out to approximately 195 inch-pounds. It's actually just a few decimal points shy of that. So I set mine to 195. And torqued. Alright, same thing on the left side. Get this started. And it goes without saying, before you tighten it all the way down, if you want Royal Enfield lined up on top, make that happen before you make it tight. If you don't care, it doesn't really matter where it winds up. I don't think I'll set mine where it is centered up top. Just going to snug it down with the ratchet on this side. Switch to the torque wrench. Torque. That rotated a little bit, but it's still pretty much in line. That's fine with me. And that is it. Installed. There it is, tested out on the rear stand. And this stand is just an Amazon, I think it's Specstar is the brand. I'll put a link to that if you're interested in it. I don't have a lot of experience with it, but it seems to be working fine. It has two different attachments, one for spools, one is just a flat attachment that would just sit under the swing arm in case you don't want to use the spools or the bobbins. But I dig it. Thanks for watching, hanging out. Post a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Boom.